Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google BigQuery for analytics behind no-code apps, full guide step-by-step clearly. To begin registration with Google BigQuery, first, navigate to the Google Cloud Platform website. If you do not have a Google account, create one by clicking on the Get Started button. Once you have your account set up, sign in to the Google Cloud Console. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Google Cloud Project dashboard. In the top right corner, click on the Project drop-down menu. Select New Project to create a new project for your analytics needs. Provide a name for your project and select a billing account. Make sure to enable the option to add Google Analytics features if prompted. After creating your project, you will be redirected to the project dashboard. Next, locate the navigation menu on the left side and click on BigQuery. If you do not see BigQuery, click on the More Products tab to find it. Once in BigQuery, you will see an option to enable the API. Click on the Enable API button to activate BigQuery for your project. This may take a moment, so be patient as it processes your request. After the API is enabled, return to the BigQuery interface. In the main section, click on Create Dataset to begin organizing your data. Fill in the required fields, such as dataset ID and data location. Set the access control options based on who you want to share this dataset with. Once you have configured the dataset, click on Create Dataset. Next, you can upload your data files directly into BigQuery. To do this, click on the newly created dataset. Then select Create Table from the options available. Choose the source of your data as upload and select your file. Set the file format according to your uploaded file type. Define the schema for your table, including field names and data types. Then, click on Create Table to finalize the upload. With your data now in BigQuery, utilize the SQL query interface for analytics. You can formulate and run queries to extract insights from your data. Explore visualization options by integrating with tools like Google Data Studio. Customize your reports and dashboards based on your analytics requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.